Well, I built a symmetrical setup on a Bustin Sportster deck. You can see it has non-standard washers to give a little bit more rebound. Then I put bigger washers under the track to prevent deck damage, and that's a 83 mil wheels on a stainless steel bearings. You can see sometimes the scratches. The surface as well, that's my local skate park thingy. It's just the cracks. And the people and the cracks. So yeah, I was skating thing. Garbage. I was skating this thing to my local shop to pick up some stuff. So I thought commuting was great. And well, I wanted to pump. So can you pump Paris V2? Well, that's a bit of downhill. It doesn't accelerate. It's a total hill. It's a big curve. Even from downhill, I need to do big curves once at once. And as soon as I stop accelerating. Well, you can hear here the sound from a deck, because I reckon it has a carbon and epoxy and flexiglass, so it sounds plasticky. So what else is special about it? It has a drop plates. Is about 3-inch, even phone doesn't fit. And the 3-inch at the ground. Well, good pusher. I put my times with bigger wheels, but I felt like a 97 mil on another deck, and I felt more comfortable. But when I compared my results, my average on a this deck and on a deck I prefer for pushing, here were no difference, absolutely. So actually, in a comparison with my preferred option with bigger wheels, this seems like it's the same, but this deck seems like better built and lower, so I guess pushing longer, it might make a sense to use that one, because it will use less energy, I think. Same 6.2 miles in an average. Alright, big wheels, small wheels, flex. This one has no flex, the smaller wheels. I tried to put 97 mils on, but I'm getting wheel bites. So yeah, I reckon it could be winner, but it is not a pumping deck, that's for sure.